Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chachi, and for today's video, as you can see already, we are going to be unboxing this big box right here. I did order this one around about November. So this is my Boxy pop-up order way back in November, and I got this yesterday. So if you guys are not familiar with the Boxycharm is a makeup subscription. They do have the base box, which retails for $25 a month. We do have premium box, which retails for $35 a month. And every 3 months they have the Boxy Locks. So that's quarterly. And Boxycharm, you get makeups in a really discounted price. So they also have the pop-up quarterly, and with that you can get at least 80% off on items. So this is my Boxy pop-up order. So I just recently had my surgery, so we're just gonna put this bad boy right here. So of course comes in with a lot of paper. Let's take this all out. So first thing I see is my kids ordered this. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh no, this is mine. This is the Luxy Gold collection, and I will just put on the description down below. Oh, my skin is, oh, it's like has this. What the heck? Maybe that's why it's on sale. They put all of this. Is it why you put it in a big discount? Because the tint has a bend in it. So these are the defects. Boxycharm. So this is the brush set that I did order. So it comes in right here that I can't even take it out. So this is the Luxy Gold brush set. So I can open it. How come I can't open it? Whoop! So there you go. It comes in with individually wrapped. So this is like and it's soft. It is really soft. This is good for bronzing. So that is my first item. I will link in the description down below all of the products, all of the items that I got, and also the price that I paid. I was really excited with this, but it has dent. What the heck, Boxycharm? So, and then our next item that I got is the Violet Boss Pro Palette, the Ride or Die palette. Here you go. Mostly this is a neutral palette. I have been loving Violet Boss formula for their eyeshadow, so I'm pretty excited. I don't know if I'm gonna use this on my video or I'm gonna gift it to someone. So this is our second item. And also I got this. What is this? This is the Pure Sculptor palette. So here you go. It comes in with the bronze and a highlight right here, which I think is so pretty. Mostly my order are like makeup, and my kids have ordered too. Oh, and this one, I love this one. This is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour, you know, and this one is a big pan. Look how big is the pan. Oh my, I have a big face, and this one is like big. I just hope it sits in my shade. See, there you go. Cocoa Contour. You can use this to contour, bronze, set. This two is set, and this one is for your blush. There you go. I like this kind of palette. Sometimes when you're going out of town, you only need to bring one face palette. So that is our Too Faced. And I also, why is it already open? I also got the Smashbox setting spray. No girl can actually have that much setting spray. So here you go. I have been loving, and my holy grail has been the Urban Decay All Nighter. That has been my go-to setting spray because your girl right here has an oily face. I figure, like, you know, might as well switch it up with the Smashbox one since we're getting a pretty good deal. And I also got the Cover FX blurring primer because we need to blur. We need some blurring in our face. And also, I got another Morphe. This is a Morphe M535 brush. You know, sometimes you do your makeup, you don't have time to wash it, or like when I'm doing a video and then like I wanted to do a video and I can't film because my brush, I just washed my makeup brushes. And you girls always need to like wash your makeup brushes because you need to be, you know, you need to be clean with your brushes. And oh, this is one of my jam. This is the NARS Power Matte Pigment. I love this one. So when I saw it, that is on a pop-up, I immediately snagged this bad boy right here. And this is my shade. This is my go-to jam in terms of a lipstick. Let me swatch it out for you. I like those red. I'm more of the red tone lip. So I'm pretty excited about this one. Why are it always, like most of the boxes are like open? It's sealed, but it's open. So this is the Professional Benefit Primer. Like what I said, your girl has to hide those pores. So we need to take this out. So here you go. This is another, like if you get this products on Ulta, you'll be paying a lot. Like one product will roughly cost you like 30 bucks, but with the 80% discount, we did got a really good deal with this one. So I got this one as well from the pop-up sale. And also a Natasha Denona All Over Glow palette. Because you know how I like a beaming highlight. If I can open. If I can just only open. Oh, I hope, look. I hope this is not. OMG. Look. It is smash. I need to email their customer service. I waited 3 months. Like, I know, I ordered November. Like, I forgot what I ordered, but I ordered a couple of months. But this is how it came out. My Natasha Denona. Oh, really? It's just like sometimes you need to put the fragile on the box. Because this one, I don't think it does. So sometimes, you know, they're just going to toss your box like that. So, and it kind of like good highlight. You can see it in my hand. And we also got the iconic London Prep Set and Glow. Because I don't want, because your girl right here has an oily face. And I don't want like the illuminating. Sometimes I just want sometimes a setting spray that will give me the glow. So I got this one as well. And it looks so pretty. It has that gold stuff in there. So once you spray it in your face, it will give you that glow. Let me try it. Let me just shake it up. Shake it up. So we can see. And I want to smell it. Because it looks so pretty. Sometimes when it looks so pretty, it has that pretty scent. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. So we're gonna see if that will give me the shine once it all dried up. And also, this one I got it on one of my box. I think I got this one in the October box, and I like this. I like this moisturizer. This is a moisturizer from Grown Alchemist. I know this has a high value of $100 something, but I actually got this one for $9 if I'm not mistaken. I will link it in the description below. And this is the Kush Lip Scrub. It's your girl gotta, because sometimes, you know, when you've been always wearing like the liquid lipstick, it kind of like make your lips dry. And let's see, it does not have that. It kind of have that little scrub in there, but It feels soft. So again, I will link all of the prices, the discount price, the Boxycharm price of all of these products on the description. And also I got the Becca blurring primer. This one, if you look it up in the Sephora website, this costs a lot. So I love the Becca on this makeup look that I just did. I have the Becca 24-hour coverage. So we're just gonna see. Oh, I should have shook it. There you go. Just want to try to, like, I suck on asking for, oh, it feels nice. I suck asking for samples. And here you go. It feels nice. And it feels like the foundation is gonna have like a really good grip in this. So that is a good one. Let me see. Let me just dig in here. So this is the Ciate London Marble Light. I think this is a highlight. It took them a long time to ship it, and now I forgot all the stuff that I ordered. I just hope this is not broken again. Oh, it is so pretty. Pretty. I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm gonna try to do a makeup look. If I'm not gonna get that violet gloss, because that is really pretty. And what is this? This is the blush duo palette. See, this one is in bubble wrap. Why did they did not bubble wrap my Natasha Denona? It's like, dude, really? You should have bubble wrapped it. And this is another Natasha Denona, but that one they did not bubble wrap. Like, what the heck? So this is the Natasha Denona Blush Duo. The packaging is so pretty. I love this packaging. Oh, so you can bronze and you can use this on a blush. This is a blush and this is a bronzer. I love it. And I also got another brush set. This is also from Luxie Iconic set. Yes, I order a lot of makeup brush. And this one is another Natasha Denona lip glaze. So, ew, ooh. Why did I order this? It's like orange. Oh my God. Let me see. It is orange. Ate? Yeah. Nag-orange ka ba sa ano? Do you use orange on your anime? On your cosplay. Yeah. So let me see. It is orange, but it's okay. That's not like it. Yeah, I don't know. My kids do anime cosplay, so maybe she can use this on her cosplay. So Ate, here's yours. And this one is a product from a choice, but I accidentally picked the one for the teeth whitening. And I got this bad boy right here. As far as I know, this is $9. Yep, this is $9. And my kids always will have their order as well. I forgot which one is yours, Ate. Which water bottle is yours? Remember you guys ordered a water bottle? It took forever to ship. Eliza, your water bottle is here with the glitter bombs. Well, I guess she doesn't want it.
Extra for you.
So here you go, guys. Here you go, guys. This is my Boxycharm Pop Up unboxing. I will link all in the description down below how much I paid for this, but it's like mostly discounted for like 80% off as far as I can remember. Usually I paid for $9 most of the item, which is on, you get it on Sephora, like a Natasha Denona. It's like the cheapest Natasha Denona is like those small 5-pan eyeshadow is like $25. So I will email this. I will email them regarding this because $9 is $9, girl. So here you go, guys. I hope you like this. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future upload. Thank you. Bye.